Hey guys, welcome back to Ballroom Feed, and we're going to talk about what is the American Foxtrot today. So, of course, it is in the style of the American Smooth category, which consists of 4 different dances, the American Foxtrot being one of them. So basically, it's a traveling dance that moves across the floor like your waltz or your tango or your Viennese waltz. But we have some different timings that we use, including the standard timing of slow, slow, quick, quick, or our box timing, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Commonly danced to music like big band, jazz kind of feeling. It's very cheeky and cute, but still very smooth and beautiful like the waltz. This is a great one to start learning if you're a beginner and you want to start traveling on the floor. It starts very simple and it's very beginner friendly, but then of course it can escalate up to this beautiful and challenging dance if that is the level where you're at. Just like all the American Smooth dances, this one can open up from closed position, unlike the international style of Foxtrot, and the music is a little bit faster than the international style of Foxtrot. That being said, we do have a website, ballroomfeed.com, where you can check out the Foxtrot and much more, so go check that out. It would mean a lot to us. Like this video, comment down below what you want to see next, and thanks for watching. Bye.